Alright, so we got the other engine going. If you're watching this part of the video, you will see that on the next video. So what we're doing now is we're gonna have to fix. We got the plate on yesterday. I put the little clip in there. All this is together. I still gotta get some oil for it. We went to an auction and I bought another engine. It's already going. So it's a LA. It's an older. You'll see that in the next video. But what we're gonna work on today is this handle. You gotta cut the pin and put the spring in there, and you gotta do it from the back side. So let me get a sawzall and I'll bring in, just let you see everything. Alright, so I moved it over here. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but you see the handle there, and there's a pin that you have to get out. I think I figured out where that other spring went that was in the crank. Somehow or another it got, that looks like it. There's your handle. It's free. You have to knock that out. I have to get some pliers and pull that out and the other one out. There it went. There's one. Now this is something very important too. This is your little plug. Don't lose it. This is what goes in behind your new plug, and you just take it and tap it. Should be concaved. So I beat on that side, I believe. I don't remember though. So it just put it back in there at the top to keep your new one from coming back out. So here's your new piece. Oh, it even comes with a new one. That's great. That's great. So that's good. Keep the old one for extra. We gotta drive this other one out. Oh, there it went. I'll lose it now. You put the handle in here first. Oh. So it goes in there like so. These little ears fit on the back of the flywheel, so you have to put them in there and pull them back through. And that's what keeps tension on the handle here. So I really want to get this on video, so I may have to move it up and move some stuff around here so we can see. But I ain't got this on video yet. This will be a pretty good one to get. Have you a nice pair of locks like this. Get the so it sets in there like that, and these have to come back over that right there. Let's get the pin in first. these have to come back around. Some high tension stuff. That may not be enough. One. Let's see if I can get the other one in here. I hope this thing don't fly all to pieces whenever I go to hammer that. Okay. The way he done it was a little different. That's a whole lot easier. Brass punch. Oh shoot. Missing the whole bloody thing. That's not good. There, one side. You might will have to have something here to hold some pressure on it. It's going to look like it's going to go all the way through, but it's not. It's just starting to come out now. Awesome. Two more taps. Then you put your new concave in there. That just kind of holds it in place. It's about the same size as the hole, maybe a slight bit bigger. That just, what you're supposed to do is right in the middle. It's a little smaller, so you just give it a little tap. And that kind of mushes it out, keeps it in there. And one more for good measure, high RPM thing here. That looks good. So there, that's how you change a handle on a LA or LB. Vice grips, these, a brass punch, and that'll keep that handle pulled back. Take a break, we'll put it back on the engine.